Travel cable organizer bags keep cables untangled, protected, easily accessible, saving space and reducing clutter during travel organization convenience efficiency. My today's video is about top 5 best cable organizer bag that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at FYY Cable Organizer Bag. This electronic organizer travel case is a highly practical solution for keeping all your essential gadgets and cables neatly arranged during travel or daily use. With its compact dimensions of 7.5 inches by 4.3 inches by 2.2 inches, it easily fits into backpacks, handbags, or laptop bags without adding bulk, making it ideal for both business trips and everyday organization. The durable waterproof Oxford material combined with a soft sponge interior ensures strong protection against impacts and accidental splashes, keeping your electronics safe at all times. Its smart double-layer design offers 8 well-structured compartments, including mesh pockets for small accessories like USB drives, chargers, and short cables, helping to eliminate clutter and tangles efficiently. The inclusion of a comfortable hand strap and smooth zipper enhances portability and ease of access. Lightweight yet sturdy, this pouch is a reliable companion for organized, stress-free travel and makes a thoughtful gift option as well. Now our second product is BagSmart Cable Organizer Bag. This electronic organizer travel case is a thoughtfully designed solution for managing multiple gadgets and accessories in one compact, travel-friendly pouch. Measuring 10.6-inch LX 7.5 WX 1.2H, it offers a slim yet spacious profile that fits easily into backpacks or carry-on bags while still providing excellent storage capacity. The interior is intelligently arranged with 4 elastic loop pouches for small items, 2 dedicated loops for wireless earbuds or compact chargers, additional elastic holders for charging cables, and specialized slots for SD cards, ensuring every accessory has its own secure place. This structured layout effectively prevents tangling and makes retrieval quick and hassle-free, especially during travel or office use. Built with durable materials and equipped with smooth double zippers, it ensures long-lasting performance and easy access. Lightweight yet highly functional, it doubles as a checklist organizer, helping users avoid forgetting essential items while on the move. Our third product is SkyCase Cable Organizer Bag. This SkyCase electronic organizer is a well-crafted and highly functional travel companion designed to simplify the way you carry and access your digital essentials. With its compact 9.4 x 5.5 x 2.8 inch size, it fits effortlessly into backpacks or carry-on luggage while still offering impressive storage capacity. The intelligently designed 9-zone dual-layer layout ensures superior organization. Elastic loops in the front compartment neatly secure USB cables and small accessories, while the rear section accommodates bulkier items like hard drives, adapters, and mice, eliminating clutter and cable chaos. Built from eco-friendly, high-density polyester with a splash-proof exterior and shock-absorbing sponge lining, it provides reliable protection against spills, bumps, and scratches. The upright stand design adds desk-level convenience, making items easy to access during work or travel. Finished with a smooth zipper and sturdy handle strap, this pouch delivers portability, durability, and everyday practicality for professionals, students, and frequent travelers alike. Now number 4, Travelkin Cable Organizer Bag. This charger organizer is a smartly designed travel essential that brings excellent structure and convenience to managing everyday electronic accessories. With ample storage capacity, it comfortably accommodates chargers, cables, SD cards, SIM cards, phones, and other small gadgets, ensuring everything stays neatly arranged and easily accessible when needed. Crafted from high-quality nylon, the case is both waterproof and scratch-resistant, offering reliable protection against spills, dust, and daily wear while also preventing cables from tangling. Its standout feature is the unique telescopic and expandable design, which provides up to 30% extra space in the front layer, making it highly flexible for varying storage needs. The dual-layer structure enhances organization by separating items efficiently and reducing clutter. Despite its capacity, the organizer remains lightweight at just 0.43 pounds and compact enough to fit in backpacks or handbags. Ideal for travel, business trips, or daily use. It is a practical and thoughtful accessory for frequent travelers. And our last choice is Matin Cable Organizer Bag. This compact cord organizer is a highly practical and versatile travel solution designed to keep all your electronic essentials neatly arranged and easily accessible. Measuring 10.5 by 7.75 by 3.5 inches, it offers a tablet-like form factor that fits effortlessly into backpacks, carry-ons, and luggage, making it ideal for both travel and daily use. The intelligently designed double-layer structure includes multiple pockets and elastic bands, allowing efficient storage of USB cables, flash drives, chargers, SD cards, power banks, earbuds, and even a 7.9-inch tablet in its dedicated mesh compartment. A standout feature is the DIY layout with 3 removable padded dividers, giving users full customization to suit their storage needs. Built from waterproof and shockproof materials with padded protection, it ensures reliable safety against scratches, dust, and impacts. Finished with a sturdy handle and smooth zippers, this organizer delivers convenience, durability, and clutter-free portability for modern tech users. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.